Walls are mirrors that reflect what is invisible. They return the echo of our thoughts to us. They are the shell our tender soul takes refuge in. They toll the passing of the hours in a day. They form the shape of our moods, give structure to our intimacy. While stirring our secret dreams, from the pot's curling smoke signals appear on the horizon of the wall. The walls of a room can become those places of our life that contain our innermost thoughts. And they can be a glove for stolen kisses, where affections are embodied in photographs. Dreams are colored in paintings. The spectres of the evening wander through the lamplight shadows. We look up from our book, and the characters continue to love each other and fight on the stage, which is the wall. There, where the kisses are completed and an escape is finally possible. Spectators of joy, the walls double our dance steps in black. They listen to the clinking of glasses. They absorb laughter. They hush up whispers. Eggskin by FENIX wall coverings are the clothes of our secrets, the skin of our mystery.